In this video, I'm going to do a review for Done For You Social. Now, Done For You Social is a product by two seven-figure affiliate marketers called James and Max, who made lots of products on the Warrior Plus platform, and this is another one of those, and it's a great product all about helping people to do affiliate marketing on social media. So it's called Done For You for the reason that they give a lot of things that are done for you, which help you achieve what you want to do on social media. So it's like a training course plus a lot more. So it trains you on all about setting up social media accounts, and then it shows you lots of different things on achieving what you need to do with social media, getting a following and making sales. Now it includes graphics that you can use to post in social media, lots of ideas and apps to get video to use on social media, and then in addition to that you get to sell one of the products. So you can sell that product, which I think would be 50% commission, which is normal for social affiliate marketing, and in addition to that they also give you some of the products that you can give away as bonuses. Now, that's a very good thing, because obviously it makes a product far more attractive if you can give away bonuses. Now this is a low ticket product, so it is about $12, and so therefore quite easy to sell, and you get a lot for the money. You're getting, a lot of different things and ideas that will help you along making a success as on social media, selling affiliate products. Now, so like I said, it's a low ticket product, and so in addition to that, there's all the done for you things that they're giving you, such as graphics and other things. In addition to the graphics, there's an email sequence, so you can follow up people with email. You'll need to set up an email autoresponder to do that. You could, they probably recommend GetResponse, which is good, but you can get, I think MailChimp still do a free one, so you'll be able to get that for free. So they give you reseller rights on a product of theirs, plus you get other products of theirs to use as bonuses. So that's a really good thing, and that can help you to sell products on social media. And so this is a low ticket product, about $12, but in addition to that, there's upsells within the product, so which you'll see when you buy the product. You'll see that there are upgrades on the product, and you can buy them if you want to. So just as that is the case with this product, when you buy it, it will be the case for the product you're selling. So for instance, even though the product is $12, the upsells are usually more, so you can make more commission on those upsells. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think there might even be a high ticket one in there, which means you could make a substantial amount of money, a couple of $100 perhaps, on that product if someone decides to take it up. And that is a good product, I know, because I've got it. And so there's upsells within it, so you could make substantially more than 50% of $12. So that's the beauty about affiliate marketing, in that the what they call the front end product is a low price product because it's easy to sell, and then people see the upgrades and think, oh, that could really help, and they've got buy an upgrade, so therefore you get more commission. So so it's really good. And so yeah, and I believe inside the product they advise 3 apps that will help you convert videos from like TikTok to Instagram and things like that. So that's good. And so yeah, so I think it's a really good product, and I think it's worth picking up. So if you check in my description below, I'll have a link for the product. So I highly recommend that you click the link below and check out the product. As ever, it'll come with a 30-day refund policy, but at $12, I think it's it's well worth the money. And if that gets you going on social media where you can start selling products, there's no reason why you couldn't. Once you get a record of selling products on the likes of Warrior Plus, then you could get approval from James and Max for other products and other sellers as well for other products, and that's how you get going with affiliate marketing. So they're recommending that you build an email list, which is recommended because, for instance, you can then email people again about the product, because sometimes a person may not buy on their first attempt, but then when they get reminded about it and they have another look at it, then they may decide to buy it. Not only that, once they're on your email list, you can then email them about YouTube reviews that you've done like this one, or you could also email them about other future products. So that's how you build an affiliate marketing business, really. And because once you build an email list, you've got their undivided attention, and email is considered to be one of the best ways to sell products. So yeah, I think it's a great product, and highly recommend it. So if you click the link below in the description and take a look at it, and I think you'll like it. Okay, thanks.